Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to set up a stand in Please Donate. So if you want to be able to run up to a stand like this and be able to claim it and then have game passes show up right here, I'll show you guys exactly how to set it up in this video today. So let's hop right into the video. So first things first, you're going to want to go to the Roblox homepage right here. Now once you're here, you're going to want to click Create, which is one of the top 4 options on the Roblox page. Once you click on Create, it's going to bring you to create.roblox.com. And from here, you're going to want to go ahead and click on Dashboard, which is one of the top 6 options right here. Once you click on Dashboard, it's going to bring you to this page here, and you want to go ahead and find your username's place. My username is Tsubasa Techie, so it's Tsubasa Techie's place. It's going to be your username's place. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it, and it will bring you to this page right here. On this page, on the sidebar, there should be a bunch of options right here. So you want to scroll down until you see the option for monetization, and in the monetization options, there should be an option for passes. Once you find that, go ahead and click on it. It will bring you to this page here. Here, you just have to click Create a Pass, and then it will bring you to this page to create a pass. And you can name it whatever you want, and then you can put a description if you want, and you can change the photo for it as well. But once you're done doing all that, you can just go ahead and click Create Pass. It'll load for a bit, and it'll bring you to this page here. Once you're on this page, you still have to put the pass on sale, so go ahead and click on the pass. It'll bring you to this page right here, and once you click on the pass, on the side there should be 3 options, and one of them should be sales. So go ahead and find it and click on it, bring you to this page here. You just have to turn the item on for sale and put in the price in Robux. So you can choose whatever price you want, but keep in mind that Roblox takes 30%, so if I put in 15, it would be 10 Robux. But once you do that, you can go ahead and click Save Changes. It'll load for a bit. It'll have updated the pass successfully. As you can see, I am back in Please Donate. If I go ahead and claim a stand, then that pass will actually show up right there for 15 Robux. So that is exactly how you can set up a stand in Please Donate. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.